Big question. What is good governance and why is it important? Amina loved spending time with her uncle, Uncle Musa, who always had fascinating stories and answers to all her questions. One sunny afternoon, as they strolled through their neighborhood park discussing the new playground, Amina asked, "Uncle Musa, what does it mean to govern?" Uncle Musa chuckled, adjusting his cap. "That's a very good question, Amina. Governance is like being the captain of a big ship. It's about guiding and managing people to ensure everyone works together smoothly and safely reaches their destination. Governance is the art of making decisions and implementing policies to manage a community or a country. Just like a captain needs to know about the weather, the sea, and how to steer the ship, leaders need to understand their community's needs, resources, and the best ways to achieve common goals. Think about our school," Uncle Musa continued. "We have a principal, teachers, and class monitors. Each person has a role to play in making sure the school runs well. This is similar to how governance works on a larger scale. Governance involves creating laws, ensuring they are followed, and making decisions that affect everyone in the community. It's about balancing different needs and interests to maintain order, provide services, and improve the quality of life for everyone." Amina thought about her class monitor role. "Just like I help organize the class and solve problems, leaders do the same for our community," she mused. Uncle Musa nodded. "Exactly. Good governance ensures everyone works together for the common good. In Nigeria, there are 3 main levels of government: local, state, and federal. Each level has its responsibilities and plays a crucial role in governance. Local government. The local government is the closest to the people. It handles day-to-day issues like waste management, local markets, and community health centers. Local governments ensure that the immediate needs of the community are met and that local services are provided efficiently. For instance, when Amina's neighborhood experienced water supply issues, it was the local government that addressed the problem by fixing the pipes. State government. The state government manages larger matters, such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure within the state. It oversees the operations of local governments and ensures that statewide policies are implemented effectively. For example, the state government is responsible for building schools and hospitals and making sure they function well. Federal government. The federal government is responsible for the entire country. It handles national issues such as defense, foreign policy, and overall economic management. The federal government creates laws that apply to the whole country and ensures that the state and local governments operate within the national framework. It's like having a principal in a school who sets the rules and ensures everyone follows them. The local government is the closest to the people because it deals directly with everyday issues. For example, if there's a problem with garbage collection in Amina's neighborhood, it's the local government's job to fix it. The state government is one step removed, but still very important. It ensures that schools are built and maintained, hospitals are functioning, and roads are constructed. The federal government, while seeming far away, plays a critical role in unifying the country and making decisions that impact all Nigerians. It's like the principal of a school, making rules that everyone must follow. Self-awareness, understanding one's role and feelings about community involvement. Amina thought about her role as a class monitor. She realized that just like local government officials, she needed to be aware of her classmates' needs and feelings. Understanding her own emotions about this responsibility helped her perform better. Empathy, recognizing the importance of governance in other people's lives. Uncle Musa explained, good governance means considering how decisions affect everyone, not just yourself. It's about empathy, understanding, and caring about the well-being of others. Amina remembered how her friend, Yakubu, struggled when the school library was closed for repairs. She felt a pang of empathy, realizing how important it was for everyone to have access to resources. Uncle Musa shared a story about a town that faced severe flooding every rainy season. The local government worked with the community to build better drainage systems and educate people about waste disposal. As a result, the flooding problem was significantly reduced. What made this governance effective? Uncle Musa asked. Amina thought for a moment. They listened to the people's problems and worked together to find a solution, she said. Effective governance involves transparency, accountability, and participation. Leaders need to be honest about their actions, take responsibility for their decisions, and involve the community in the decision-making process. Ineffective governance, on the other hand, often results from corruption, lack of communication, and ignoring the needs of the people. When leaders make decisions without considering the community, problems like poor infrastructure and inadequate services arise. Uncle Musa continued, "Good governance is like a well-oiled machine. All parts must work together smoothly. When leaders are transparent and accountable, the community thrives." Amina and her friends, Yakubu, Fatima, and Danjuma, often played a game they called community leaders in their neighborhood. They pretended to be in charge of their local government, solving problems like playground maintenance and organizing cleanup days. Through these play sessions, they learned the importance of cooperation and good governance in a fun and engaging way. One day, Amina and her friends noticed a broken swing in the playground. They decided to take action. They gathered the children in the neighborhood and discussed the issue. Everyone agreed to help fix it. They collected donations from their parents and organized a cleanup day to repair the swing. "See, Amina," said Uncle Musa, watching them from a distance, "this is a small example of good governance. You identified a problem, involved the community, and found a solution together. Did you know?" The word governance comes from the Greek word kybernon, which means to steer. Just like a captain steers a ship, leaders steer their communities and countries. Nigeria has 774 local government areas, 36 states, and 1 federal capital territory, Abuja. Each plays a unique role in governance. Amina's school organized an election for a new class monitor. Each candidate gave a speech about how they would improve the class. This activity helped the students understand the election process and the importance of choosing a leader who listens to their concerns. Fatima shared a story about her father, who was a local government official. He often told her about the challenges and rewards of his job. Fatima felt proud, knowing her father played a crucial role in their community's well-being. Each time a new or important word appeared in the text, it was bolded and defined to help the readers build their vocabulary. Amina felt inspired by everything she learned about governance. She realized that good governance is essential for a peaceful and prosperous society. It starts with understanding the roles of different levels of government and recognizing the importance of empathy and critical thinking in making decisions. As they walked back home, Amina looked around her neighborhood with a new perspective. She understood that governance was not just about leaders far away. It was about everyone working together to make their community a better place. "Uncle Musa," Amina said, "I want to learn more about how I can help our community." Uncle Musa smiled. "That's the spirit, Amina. Remember, good governance starts with each of us doing our part, no matter how small